Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter in a product code for a game on Steam. So what you want to do is go up to Steam right here and go to Settings, and then go on over to Library. And then there's going to be an option right here. It will allow you to activate your product code down here at the bottom, and then enter in your product code. By entering your code, you will be registering your product with Steam and adding it to your library. You can enter a product code right here if it's like a CD or DVD or other Steam product. So I think I bought Elder Scrolls Online at one point. I can put that product code in right here and it'll register it for Elder Scrolls Online for Steam, I believe. And then I can just play it through the Steam application without adding it as a non-Steam game. So enter in your product codes right here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.